the night's such a good thing. Don't forget to bring popcorn, Tony and his paper castle.
Wow, what was that?
It's called crimping. It's a new thing. I want to crimp. Wow, they've invented a new genre.
I'm gonna kill him.
Is this a joke?
Without our crimp buddies, we wouldn't have invented crimp. So please welcome Canoe and Umbrello.
This is bullshit. His turbin's not even on straight.
Easy, Naboo. Remember Peacock Dreams.
Peacock can suck my ass. This is war.
This is a travesty, sir.
Oh, look, it's the shiny charlatans.
We've been crimping for years at night times in our room when no one's looking, but we have been doing it.
We started Crimp. We studied crimpology.
Well, he did, but I studied fashion at St. Martin's. But still, you can't do this.
We shall take you down. We are the originators of Crimp.
Prove it.
We don't believe you.
We will prove it. We're going to crimp you silly.
Yeah, we're gonna crimp you sensible.
We're going to crimp you into next week.
We're gonna crimp you back to 82.
We're going to blast you with our crimp pump.
Well, that's very big talk, sir. Sounds like a challenge.
Oh, well, perhaps it is a challenge, sir.
Well, is it a challenge?
Yes.
Fair dues.
Holy shit sauce! Hey everybody! Looks like we got ourselves a crimp-off! Alan, Arachnid the spider provider. Don't get caught in his web.
Lam dancer, in his rice and a rack.
Been in the kitchen, bitching about bacon. Someone took the last slice, that's not nice. Oh, spooky monkey sitting in my flat. He's a primate junkie.
Sweeping up, sweeping down, sweeping all around town. Here come Mr. Broom Boom. Here come Mr. Broom Boom.
Pork pie, shiny eye, the champagne pedo.
Chapati basmati, chapati basmati, chapati.
The frickin' mole, the vole, the hamster. And that completes the top 100 most dangerous animals in Wales.
That was incredible. We're finished. That was off the scale. There's no way we can beat that.
Maybe there is a way. A four-way crimp.
No, it's never been done. It's impossible.
Can't be done.
Maybe it can.
Four minds working as one.
Aye, crimpity, now, crimpity, ask me how. Crimpity, humble pie. Crimpity, boing, ding, bong, bong, ting. Crimpity, ping, pong. Sugar man, light sauce, why did you come to me? Put me in a coma, woke up in the future. Robot man, can you help me find my way? I can't understand the things you say. Chew, mouse, I love you so. I took you from the underground and brought you home. I put you in my jacket pocket, took you to the meeting. Put you in my jacket pocket, took you to the meeting. Put you in my jacket pocket, put you in my jacket pocket, put you in my jacket, put you in my jacket. Jean-Claude Jackety with his jacket on. Jean-Claude Jackety with his jacket off, jacket on, jacket off, jacket on, jacket off. Ooh, 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 I did a twisty. Ooh, 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 a tiny twisty. Crimpity, now, crimpity, ask me how. Crimpity, you will pay. Crimpity, out my way. Boing, ding, bong, bong, ding. Crimpity, fuck you.